Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to tie Ruffles Gele. The measurement is 60-40 or 40-60, anyone. You are going to make 4 to 6 pleats depending on the material, depending on your fabric. Then you place at the back of your head and bring forward as seen. After that, you take both flaps and twist. Ensure that the shorter one is what you use in making the ruffles. When you're done making the ruffles, you take the longer one and place on top to ensure that it's tight. You take a pleat and pin to the base. You repeat same on the other side. Then you start making your ruffles. You gather or you squeeze and pin. You repeat the process until you're done with the fabric. As a beginner, bear it in mind that you're going to make use of plenty pins for this particular style. When you're done making the ruffles on the shorter fabric, you take the longer one and place on top to ensure that it's tight. As you can see, we are almost done with our gele. Now you start by making finishing touches. When doing all of this, ensure your ruffles pop and pin where necessary. You have to arrange your ruffles until you're satisfied with the outcome, until you're satisfied with the look. As a beginner, in normal timing, this can take you like 10 minutes. But when you're used to it, in less than 5 minutes, you should be done tying your gele. We now proceed to the back to do our finishing touches and cover the back. If you're not going to cover the back because of your hair, ensure that you're creative with the opening. Don't just leave it like that. And there you have it. This is our Ruffles Gele. Don't you like it? You too can do it. Just follow the process and it's going to come out nice. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.